Ciao everyone, I'm Davide, chef from Insideat class. Welcome back. So, today we're gonna do a very iconic, a very important Italian recipe, summer Italian recipe, which is spaghetti con le vongole, so spaghetti with clams. As always, we want to do a little bit more fancy, you know? We're gonna do it the classic recipe, the classic iconic original recipe, but with a light and very creamy and very tasteful pistachio pesto. We're gonna have a little bit of herbs to make it even lighter and, you know, to give also the cherry on top, that kick to our recipe. So let's see how it goes. So let's look to all of our ingredients. Today is gonna be lots of ingredients, but just a few, just a bit of everything. Start with our clams, of course, fresh. We call it veraci, so the stronger one, the bigger one. Then we got pistachio, cherry tomato, a little bit of basil, clove of garlic, anchovies and caper, just one anchovies and one caper, a little bit of parsley, just a bit of parmesan, and of course our pasta. So let's see how to mix and how to cook all the ingredients. Okay, molto bene. First thing first, we're gonna put our water on boiling, and the time the water will boil, we're gonna do our sauce. Now the very first step gonna be just to cook, to make it gold, the garlic with 2 spoons of olive oil, just a couple of sprigs of parsley, and then we're gonna remove afterwards 1 anchovies, 1 caper, 1 cherry tomato, and a little bit of black pepper. Just cook it up for a minute. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cook the clams with the soffritto, so with the olive oil and garlic base. Now we can just flambe and saute a little bit with white wine, or just use a little bit of hot water. I'm gonna use just half of a scoop of hot water this way. Then I'm gonna cover the pan and just wait. All the clams will open up, okay, and that will take like 2-3 minutes, and then our sauce is gonna be ready. So wonderful. I've been cooking my clams for couple of minutes. They're all well open. So what I'm gonna do now, switch off the flame, and I'm gonna filter all the clam juice, okay, from the shell, okay, this way, and the cream and the sauce. It's ready. Well, the clam sauce is ready, so what we do have to do is just our very light pistachio cream. Okay, just pistachio, a little bit of more thyme, basil, olive oil, and just a bit of parmesan. So what we're gonna do now, we just keep, of course, you know, mixing everything, blending everything. We just add a little bit of water, okay, if it's too dry, and we keep mixing. So the final result has to be something like that, a very cream, almost a paste, okay. So in the case the pistachio is too hard, we keep adding just a little bit of water step by step until we reach this consistency. Well, the water is boiling. We're just gonna add just a bit of salt, half a hand, throw in, and then we're gonna cook our pasta. Then in the meantime, the water and the pasta is cooking. We just start to cut very thin, a little bit of parsley this way. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna drain the pasta, very al dente, so very, you know, kind of a raw, directly into the pan with a clam juice, couple of cherry tomato. The rest of the clam we keep it here, and we're gonna add afterwards. High flame, and go ahead. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna cook our pasta, which is very al dente, so almost raw, with a little bit of the boiling water, the clam juice, and we're gonna keep moving the pan, okay, for at least couple of minutes until everything starts to get more creamy. Remember to remove the first layer. This way. So when the pasta is very creamy, like this, we're gonna add the clams. And now, the very last ingredients are pistachio pesto. And that's our plate, our seashell or spaghettoni with clams and pistachio pesto. It's a very light recipe, it's a very summer recipe, and with a sherry on top. Again, I hope you enjoy and buon appetito.